Greetings, my name is Derek Nofka. I'm a software developer and I'm the creator of the BACnet P2 Gateway. Today I want to talk to you about the three reports that we require from the Insight PC: the system profile, the panel configuration, and the site info reports. The reason we need these reports is that we want to provide you with reliable information about your proposed integration, covering all important aspects of the site so that you can avoid any nasty surprises once the project proceeds. Getting these reports is really easy to do, requires no specialist knowledge, and provides us with the information required for us to give you the following four important things: the hardware and software pricing for BACnet P2, the scope of the work required for integration, the system health report, and a list of unsupported hardware, if any. Hardware and software pricing for BACnet P2. Our website provides the recommended retail pricing directly from the system profile report. The website has a BLN selection option where you can choose which BLNs you want to price. So if the site has got 10 BLNs, you can select one or two of them and the pricing will be done accordingly. In addition, the website also provides the hardware required to support the selection that you've made automatically. So everything will be correct if you use the website. Scope of work required for integration. The user interface on the Insight PC can contain many pages, sometimes thousands of pages. And as the objective of the integration is to replicate the user interface onto your new BMS system, you need to know how much work is going to be involved. So using the site info report, we give you the number of pages that exist on the existing system, as well as the number of data points populated on those pages. So you've got the number of graphics and the number of data points that need to be populated and tested. So that's the first part. Then there is the PPCL data dependencies. So using this report, we give you the number of shared data points that are shared across the different panels. And this gives you the number of virtual points that need to be created in order to make the system robust going forward. System health report. The system health is about the performance of the system. The Apogee system is quite an old system, but it performs surprisingly well. And if the system is not performing well, if it's going slowly, then generally it's because there's something wrong. And most of the time, it's because there's data points that are missing. So the panels are busy looking for data all the time, and they can't find it, and it eats up all the bandwidth. So we use the site info report for this as well, and it gives us the number of missing data points. And finally, we get to the list of unsupported hardware, if any. The Apogee system has been around for many years and started off life as the Landis+Gyr System 600. The Insight PC supports both Apogee panels, which are the newer panels, and System 600 panels. BACnet P2 only supports Apogee panels, so we do not support System 600. This report gives us a list of any panels that are on the system that will not be integrated. So that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you very much for your time. I hope you found this useful.